Okay, guys, I want to bring to you guys attention. I am in the process of going to make my own corset top. So you guys see, this is one. And I'm in the process of making this one. So guys, you just buy these basic full bras. And this one got the Lady Gaga pointy breast things to it. So I'm starting now to add the sequins onto the cup. And normally when I do the cups, I put a sock inside to keep the breast curve. And then I'm going to do my decorations here, guys. Different decorations is going to be here. I might leave this plain, but the decoration is going to be going down here. And you guys can create your own bra tops. But this is one. And if you guys can see when it's all finished getting worked out, and these got the Lady Gaga pointy breast thing. So I'm in the process of making that. So if you guys want to make your own corset tops, just find these bras, guys. I got this from Sears. Sears went out of business, but you see the back is not decorated. And be careful to don't take away the ability for the bra to stretch, because you won't be able to fit it no more. So to keep your bra cuff the size where your breast can get in, put a sock in there. And as you gluing the stuff in there, because you don't want to ever make it smaller. So you guys can make your own bralettes at home. So that's what you do, guys. Think about the design that you want to do. I kind of follow the design of the bra when I'm doing it, of how I want to do it. So yes, guys, and then I'm going to make up a pair of bottoms with this as well, with the stones on it. I sing Angel Brinks with something like this. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.